Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to remove phone number from Gmail account in Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Gmail app and tap on the three dot icon to the top left corner and tap on settings, and now tap on the Gmail account. Tap on manage your Google account. Tap on personal information, scroll down, and here you'll find your phone, so tap on that and tap on your phone number, and here you'll find this delete icon, so tap on that and enter here your Gmail account password and tap on next, and again tap on this delete icon, tap on remove number, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.